Gonna do a little bike check. Sunday first wave. I guess we'll start from the front end. Fly bikes, female hub. Sunday morning 2.1 forks. I believe a stolen revolver, double wall front rim, demolition momentum tires, front and back, 2.20. Kink bikes, headset, old Hoffman stem, some Sunday tall T-bars with the most worn out grips possible. I think they're fly bikes for men. Got the Odyssey, I think it's a wolf seat. I guess that's what it's called, who knows. Got the FBM seat post, SMC clamp. Still gotta redo the paint tomorrow, working on it. Profile GDH, I'm not sure what, I don't know what version they are, but profile crank arms. Some ugly painted Animal Hamilton PC pedals. I have no idea what the spindle is. Profile racing bottom bracket. Demolition sprocket, 28 tooth. It's snapped or cracked in 2 places, 3 places maybe. Shadow half link chain, all painted different colors. Now for the back. We got the Profile Mini Racing Hub. I think it's a 10 tooth. Has some really shitty bolts. Gotta get some replacement ones soon. They're horrible. Got the Sunday right there. And it is laced to an Odyssey. I'm not sure what ribbon it is. I know it's Odyssey though. And I believe that's everything. New vids to come soon. Gonna get another paint job soon. Got the waves. Alright everybody. Comment, like, subscribe. See you guys later.